Hello, everyone. Today, in this tutorial, I will show you how to disable the wake screen option on Snapchat. This feature automatically activates your screen when you receive a notification, which can be useful, but sometimes impractical, especially if you don't want your screen to turn on for every message or notification. Follow my steps until the end of this video to learn how to disable this option. First, open your Snapchat app and log into your account. Then, in the top left corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. Once you are on your profile, you will see a gear icon in the top right corner. Tap it to open the settings page. When you are on the settings page, look for the notifications option and tap on it. Once you are on the notification settings page, scroll down, find the option called Wake Screen, and then tap the check mark immediately to the right of the option to disable it. After you have disabled the Wake Screen option, you will notice that the box next to this option is now empty. This means that the function is no longer active and your phone screen will not automatically turn on when receiving notifications. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon.